It's the WickerShire project. Grow Big TV 2024 Sunflower Challenge. This is what we're growing right here. It is our Mammoth Russian gray stripe sunflowers. We're going to use the entire package in that 10-foot row. Feels like maybe we got 20 seeds in here. Maybe we got a winner. So we got our trench dug in. We'll get our seeds planted. We're going to win this contest. There you go, that row's planted. Get some super soil in here. I really don't want to feed these, but why not? We will give it a little bit of love. Drop a little bit of fertilizer in this, and I will cover them over. If you're not growing big, what are you doing?